Hi, this is a pronunciation video for the B and V sounds. The B and V sounds, okay? So basically B, your lips should open like this, quickly. B, B, okay? For V, you should see the bottom of your teeth, and your lower lip should vibrate, okay? So here it should go up and down, okay? So these words are quite difficult, but do your best, okay? Bat, vat, beer, veer, berry, very, best, vest, bowl, vole. Okay? Now, the next one's bane-vain, bars-vase, boat-vote, bow-vow, bowels-vowels, burbs-verbs, gibbon-given, serb-serve. Okay? Now these ones here. Okay? Try to look at my mouth, okay? Bale-veil, bars-vase, bent-vent, best vest, bat-vat, bane-vain, beer-veer, bow-vow, lobes-loaves. That one's really hard. Lobes-loaves. And then rebel-revel. Rebel-revel. Okay? And then on the back, we'll do these as best we can. bale-veil, bane-vain, bat-vat, beer-veer, bent-vent, bid-vid, bile-veil, biz-viz, bolt-volt, bowels-vowels, bowl-vole, broom-vroom, burbs-verbs, curve, dribble-drivel, dribble-drivel. Those are very hard. Dove, fiver, gibbon-given, jive, lobes-loaves, rebel-revel, verb-verve. Okay? Good luck. They're lots of fun. Bye-bye.